Stupidly Lazy $400 per hour method for beginners to make money online, 2023. Although this brand new website is not foolish, it is a ridiculously lazy way to start making over $400 per hour and end up generating thousands of dollars per day using a brand new affiliate marketing technique for novices. If you'd like to watch us take you step by step through the entire process, please click the like button below. Otherwise, let's start with a comprehensive instruction. You must go to a portal called Google Sites in order to complete step 1 of this really lazy method of earning money with affiliate marketing. Open sites.google.com by doing a search for Google Sites. Launch a new Google site after that. We therefore want to launch a completely new blank Google site. Due to the fact that this is completely free, you may start earning money with affiliate marketing right now, even if you have no prior experience. We'll start by giving the article a title before anything else. As you can see, we can alter our website in a variety of ways, such as by adding titles, facts, new layouts, graphics, and much more. However, you must first move on to step 2 before you can do that. After you have launched a blind Google site, you should return to Google and look up 5 ways to raise money or identify ways to cut costs. Check the quality of any item by opening it. We can draw money into our lives in 5 different ways according to them. Hence, choose a top-notch content that we can use later. In order to complete step 3, you should apply the advice from that page to your own Google website. We will use the very titles, so that is the first thing. So copy the title from this paragraph, double-click it, and then paste it into your website. We will begin to include the various 5 strategies through which people can draw money into their lives. Take their first quote, "Manifest good habits," from the article we found on Google and return there. So copy this and then make changes to the content, which is strongly suggested. Simply copy and paste it, and then repeat until you have 5 various ways for them to attract money into their lives, either to make money or to save money. Let's go on to the 4th step. You will need to go to a CPA platform called CPA Lead, which is already CPALead.com, which is a CPA marketplace with thousands of different CPA offers for you to promote. CPA stands for Cost Per Action, which means that most of these offers require people to simply enter their email addresses to become qualified leads, and you will be paid. On CPAElite.com, you will have a user account as an affiliate marketer. After creating an account, all you need to do is log on. Once you are logged into your new account, you can track your earnings and how much money you made each day. Affiliate profits can total hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. First things first, in order to begin promoting something with CPU Elite, you need to return and log in to CPU Lead as an affiliate. Once you do this, you'll be able to see all the offers available to you, each of which will pay you anywhere from $1 to a few dollars for each email you collect. And what's intriguing about these offers is that in the majority of cases, those who actually sign up for one of them stand to win something. You must move on to the second platform, CPAGrip.com, which is very similar to CPLE.com. If you are unable to discover an offer on the first one, there is another CPA network where you can register, pick up certain offers, and people are motivated to join up for those offers because they stand to gain something. You may practically be anywhere in the world and yet use various offers to generate money using CPA Grip. As a result of some incredibly lazy and easy techniques, we are about to demonstrate how you can literally attract thousands of people to sign up for your link in a fully passive manner. So simply remain with us for the next step. Now that you have a post about how individuals can attract money into their lives on your Google website, you should return there because anyone reading it must either need money or want to do so. If you provide them the opportunity to win something by giving you their email address, something is incredibly relevant to that one person. It won't cost them anything. Therefore, they'll be more inclined to actually submit their email address. So what you need to do is incorporate a call to action within the article itself. For instance, following the third point, we'll develop a call to action that, for instance, literally states what the offer's title is. So let's acquire a $1,000 PayPal gift card to use, copy it, and then paste it again. We'll do it at the bottom of the tag as well. So when people finish reading the story, they can also notice that they can claim a $1,000 PayPal gift card by providing their email address. You should therefore select Publish the site. You should give it some addresses so that you may, of course, type in anything you want. You should now consider the final step, which is to head over to a platform that we haven't even discussed yet. Remember that we genuinely need Americans to input their email addresses so you can make money. This platform is visited by 8.5 million people every single month. The majority of them are from the United States. As a result, you can be from anywhere in the world and do not need to be an American. However, those who submit their email addresses must be U.S. citizens, which is why this platform functions so well and is totally free. This is Mev.com then. Brand new social networking site. It is very comparable to Facebook. Once you've made an account, you log in. Once you log up, you'll be able to search through several groups where people discuss ways to draw various things, such as wealth, love, and prosperity into their lives. However, those that wish to bring money into their lives are the ones who most pique your attention. Therefore, you should either look for organizations that deal with the law of attraction or groups that deal with money. These groups have literally thousands of people, and you can start by joining them so you can join the group and click Done. Then, you can start posting into the group, and you can essentially just come up with all the different messages and make sure you're not being spammy. A lot of them will actually like the post, engage with the post, which will increase its visibility, and on top of that, a lot more people will actually click on the link because you're not being pushy. Additionally, while reading the article, they can click on your affiliate link so that you can make money. If you come across as a genuine person who is just trying to provide value or help other people, then a lot of them will actually like the post, engage with the post, which will increase its visibility. On this recent social media platform, there are thousands upon thousands of organizations that you may join for free. So simply go out there, give it your best shot, put in as much effort as you can, spend some time doing this, and then let us know how it went for you in the comments section below. We sincerely hope that this video gave you some fresh inspiration. If so, please click like and we'll see you in some of the following ones.